If you've heard about Wayground in 2026, but you're not exactly sure how it works, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you a complete beginner's guide to Wayground step by step from creating an account to building quizzes, assigning activities. Tracking student progress first. What is Wayground? Wayground is the new name for Quizizz, the popular learning platform used by millions of teachers and students around the world. It combines quizzes, lessons, assessments, flashcards, videos, and AI-powered learning tools in one platform. Now let's get started. Step 1 and create your account. Go to the Wayground website and click Sign Up, then choose whether you're a teacher, a studenta, parenter, and administrator. You can sign up using Google, Microsoft, or email. The process only takes a few minutes. Step 2, explore the dashboard. Once you log in, you'll see your main dashboard. This is where you can create activities, browse existing content, manage classes, and view reports. And honestly, this is one of the biggest advantages of Wayground because thousands of ready-made resources are already available. Step 3, find existing quizzes before creating your own content. Search the library. You can type any topic into the search bar, such as math, science, history, English, geography. In many cases, you'll find activities already created by other educators, which can save a lot of time. Step 4, create your own quiz. Click Create. Then choose quiz or assessment. You can manually add questions or use Wayground AI to help generate them. Question types include multiple choice, fill in the blank, open-ended questions, matching activities, and more. Now let's talk about AI because this is one of the biggest updates in Wayground. You can enter a topic, a lesson, objective, a passage, or a prompt, and the AI can generate questions automatically, which can dramatically reduce preparation time for teachers. Step 5, I assign the activity. Once your quiz is ready, you can choose live session. Homework practice mode. Live sessions allow students to answer in real time, while homework lets them complete the activity later at their own pace. Step 6, invite students. Wayground generates a unique code. Students simply visit the join page, enter the code, type their name, and start participating. No complicated setup is required. Now let's talk about reports, because this is where teachers get valuable insights. After students complete an activity, Wayground generates performance reports showing scores, correct answers, incorrect answers, completion rates, and learning progress. This helps identify which concepts students understand and which areas need more attention. Now another useful feature, lessons and videos. Because Wayground is no longer just a quiz platform, teachers can also create lessons, presentations, flashcards, passage, sand, interactive video solve from the same dashboard. Now let's be honest for a second. Most people still think Wayground is only for quizzes because they remember it as Quizizz, but today it's much closer to a complete learning platform with AI tools, instructional resources, assessment features, and classroom management capabilities. So to wrap this up, to use Wayground in 2026, create an account, explore the content library, build or generate quizzes, assign activities, invite students using a code, and track progress through detailed reports. Because honestly, it's one of the easiest ways to make learning more interactive and engaging for both teachers and students.